said weather permitting, and I don't think it's in their favor right now.
That's right. Yeah, at least for the afternoons especially. So the earlier you can get anything done over the next couple of days, you're looking much better. So we'll go through that. We have a few days of the potential for severe storms. Definitely think that today and tomorrow look more impressive than yesterday. Yesterday we didn't manage to have a severe storm, which we love to hear it. Had a little bit of drier air filter in, so we actually had a pretty nice day yesterday, and just a few showers and thunderstorms out there, but thankfully everything stayed under control yesterday. But today that could change. We are looking at a 2 out of 5 threat. That's a slight risk for severe weather today for most of central Georgia, indicated by that yellow color here. Still going to be looking, even though our threat level did go up a little bit, we're still looking for gusty wind and hail. Those are going to be our two main threats. I think any kind of tornadic activity is going to stay to our south, also well out to our west. But we could see hail upwards of an inch in diameter. Also could see wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour. That's going to be between around 3 and 9 o'clock. Now we could still have a stronger storm, so just below severe limits, I think, in the early afternoon, even before 3 o'clock. But thinking 3 to 9 is going to be that main time frame for us. Now tomorrow, we're kind of split in half here. Slight risk, mainly 75 off to the west. Otherwise, you're in that marginal risk for severe weather. Either way, we're looking at gusty wind, heavy rain, frequent lightning. And then tomorrow, we'll also watch for maybe a brief isolated tornado. I do think that threat is on the lower end. Tomorrow's threat will start around 1 o'clock in the afternoon until around 5. Now, disclaimer with this. All of our threats over the next few days is not actually our physical cold front. It's going to be waves of energy out ahead of it. And these are pretty small scale features, so they can be very hard to pick up on. The models have been having a very tough time figuring out when exactly this is going to move through. So they've been constantly changing. With that being said, just be sure to pay attention to the weather as we go through the day today and also tomorrow, because there could be some pretty big changes. Not likely, but it's still possible. Now Sunday, we'll keep an eye out for maybe a strong storm. I think most of the activity Sunday is going to stay along the coast. So this morning, a few showers will be possible. And then as we get into the afternoon, here's 3 o'clock. This is when we're going to be watching for a strong to severe storm or two. We're going to have plenty of fuel for it. We're going to be pretty warm today in the mid to upper 70s. So the storms will take advantage of it. And again, just a few strong to severe storms will be possible for the day today. By 5 o'clock, could have a few showers around and heavy rain possible, especially if you're south of Macon. So just keep that in mind for the ride home today. I know it's Friday. Everyone's excited to get home and get the weekend started. But if it's raining out there, just be sure to drive extra carefully. By 8, 9 o'clock, we should be able to bring this severe threat to an end. As that sun sets, we'll lose our fuel for storms, because essentially that's what's going to really be the forcing mechanism for all these storms, since we don't have that cold front to give any kind of energy. It's really going to just be the heat of the day. Now by 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, notice here's that last wave out ahead of our physical cold front that will move through late Saturday night into Sunday. So it will offer us that chance for a few severe storms as that last little wave moves through the area. Severe weather will be ongoing tomorrow morning out to our west, and then this will knock on our doors sometime in the early afternoon. I do think the greater severe threats definitely along the coast. I think that's where the ingredients are better, but we still have that chance for a few severe storms Saturday. Now we'll keep a small rain chance with a few rumbles of thunder possible Sunday. And then it looks like we'll be dry and warm by Monday, and we'll pick rain chances back up potentially starting Tuesday all the way through Thursday.